Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about three mega developments taking place on Washington Boulevard. Now this is Washington Boulevard that we're driving on. It's a main road, probably the second busiest road in Jamaica. And the road definitely needs some rehabilitation. So the government announced that under the Spark program, they're going to be renovating this section of Washington Boulevard. The section from 6 miles where it connects to Mandela Highway, from 6 miles to Malines Road, they are going to be renovating this section of the road. So they're going to pave over the road. I'm not sure if they're going to put in the concrete barricades or they're going to keep the grass that you see in the middle. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. And that's one. Two, the second project they're going to do is as we go across this stoplight, we're going to come to a bridge. So this 3-lane road is now going to merge into 2 lanes. So the government is going to be building a third lane on the bridge so that as you go over it, you no longer have to merge. The bridge will have 3 lanes. That's the second project. And that one is going to be done under the CAPEX program, not Spark, CAPEX. And then the third mega project is going to be at the intersection of Washington Boulevard and Malines Road. They're going to put a graded interchange. So if you are driving on if you're driving on Washington Boulevard, you can take the ramp and go over the stoplight, and you won't have to stop. There will be no pause in the flow of traffic. And they're also going to build another ramp for Malines Road, so you can go across the upper ramp without having to stop. The main road will still be at the bottom for those as that what they refer to as local traffic. So those are three major projects that the government has planned for Washington Boulevard. Now, this is the kind of infrastructure that is needed. The government is spending a lot of money and resources to upgrade the main roads in Kingston. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour.